All right, I'm back here framing. I had a little section lifting that wall. I haven't been able to do as much with the camera because it's been so hot. It's been like 90 degrees and this thing overheats. But you can see the front door, windows, maybe a porch sticking out here, covering those. There's the master bedroom window. There's one more in the master bedroom over here. And this is the east side, this one here. And then we get to the north side and there's gonna be a bathroom over here, so there's no reason for a window on this north edge. This is kind of northeast. And then here's the big picture window. Now it is to the north, but you know, there's a big backyard here. So there's a door, window, and that's gonna light up the whole living room, but it's a fixed unit. It's basically like R10 in the window. And then get the garage over here and the mudroom. I gotta frame up this wall first and then fill in the mudroom area. There's a closet door there, and I haven't finished this floor because I wanna make it as large as I can. So I'm gonna put the stairway in, see my headroom, and then make this as big as I can here. And then the entryway, kind of mudroom door here. There'll be a door from the garage in. And then there will be one window on this front mudroom facing the road, which is south. And then this is the west wall in the kitchen. And there's gonna be a kitchen vent out, but I didn't want to put a window in there. There's gonna be plenty of light with this shining in from the south right in this one. This will be the kitchen behind this. So at this point, I'm ready to clean up and start putting the second floor trusses on, which are all out there.